Hey guys, in this video, this guy was working with 16 minus 9. So he used the difference of two squares, and when he did that, unfortunately, it put him in a loop and brought him back to 16 minus 9. So I want to show you what would happen if we did a difference of two cubes. So this is the notes for difference of two cubes, and here's another version of it right here that might be easier for this problem. So let's get rid of the orange stuff and bring this up. Let's use this lower version of the formula. So our A is going to be 16 and our B is going to be 9. For all these, I plugged in cube root of 16, and for all these, I plugged in cube root of 9. Let's clean it up and see what happens. So all of these 16s can change into 8 times 2, and then cube root of 8 times 2 is the same thing as cube root of 8 times cube root of 2. And then all three of these cube root of 8s can turn into 2. This squared can go to both of these 2s and make them both 4s. And this squared can go to this 9, making it an 81. 81 is the same thing as 27 times 3, and cube root of 27 times 3 is the same thing as cube root of 27 times cube root of 3, and cube root of 27 is equal to 3. I don't think I can clean this up anymore, so let's multiply. These two terms are going to go here, and these three terms will go at the top. And now we can multiply. And we do the outside parts. 2 times 4 is 8, and then cube root of 2 times cube root of 4 is equal to cube root of 8. And then 2 times 2 is 4, and cube root of 2 times cube root of 18 is cube root of 36. And that is going to continue for the rest of these. Now, if we add up everything on the inside, that's going to give us the same thing as 16 minus 9. First off, these two red boxes, they're the same thing, just one's positive and one's negative, so those will cancel each other out. And then looking at this, the cube root of 8 is equal to 2, so this is 8 times 2. And down here, the cube root of 27 is the same thing as 3, so this is negative 3 times 3. This 162 can be broken out into 27 times 6. And then we can give each of these their own cube root. And cube root of 27 is equal to 3, and then negative 2 times 3 is equal to negative 6. Now looking at these two squares, they're the same thing, but one's positive and one's negative. So they're also going to cancel each other out. Now we do 8 times 2, which is 16, and negative 3 times 3, which is negative 9. So we end up with 16 minus 9. Well, that didn't help. I spent so much time on that. What do we do now?